The weekly code quiz. We have talked about borders in the context of the box model and how it relates to margin and padding. But what if we actually want to add a visible border to an element? How would we do that? You would use the border property. When adding a border, what information is needed? You need to tell the browser how wide your border is, the style of your border, and the color of your border. So we really have three separate properties. What are those properties? Border width, border style, and border color. In order to make things easier, there is a shorthand that combines all three. What is the shorthand property? This is the border property. Under what conditions is the shorthand used? It is appropriate when you want all three properties the same all around the element. How would we combine the three separate properties into one shorthand property? Border. Border width, border style, border color. Border, 1 pixel, solid. Hashtag 0000000. The first shows how we need to write the shorthand out, specifying the width first, then the style, and finally the color. The second declaration states that we want a 1 pixel solid black border all around our element. When looking at just the border width, what are the possible values? We demonstrated using an actual pixel width, but the browser also recognizes thin, medium, and thick. Medium is the default if not set. What are the possible values for border style? With regards to border style, there are many options. A dotted border, a dashed border, a solid border, a double border, a 3D groove border that depends on the border color, a 3D ridged border that depends on the border color, a 3D inset border that also depends on the border color, and a 3D outset border that depends on the border color. No border, or a hidden border. What are the possible values for border color? The border color property sets the color. In our demo, we used a hexadecimal code to specify the color black. However, there are several ways to define color when coding, and we will go over that in another video. Presented by Designers Learn Code.